Hello, friend.
Vacancies kardom kadu kawe Karbi 2.0 YouTube channel long Karbi Arat Aum ana pas tami la pen pinile thotta nali tuma pani di Dima Hasao pen kapiklang pon VORENG AVARSAI APUTHAK so video long na khan pachini ponik po la pen penangan la kedam ta hos tami ni le Dima Hasao pen kapiklang pon VORENG AVARSAI APUTHAK tami paklang pon iglo Dima Hasao long ili Karbi tum tami duigo la si especially bangkela Dima Hasao Karbi tum mansi la so VORENG AVARSAI APUTHAK a video la bang kinili simar piglo la pen copy VORENG AVARSAI ma kon ana post a vacancies sikidoma la so a details mati la so APUTHAK nalitum la so video lang si tag pon long ikpo la pen nalitum jong si la so YouTube channel na anta subscribe prelang pulate prapjen pen nalitum subscribe ikon la pen videos tamen nalitum share pon ikon tangte non pathek pen copy VORENG AVARSAI ma kon ana post a vacancies doma la so APUTHAK lang pon Tangte puthot da VORENG AVARSAI APUTHAK chethan pononang nili longdo advertisement alo la pen labang so VORENG AVARSAI kapiklang pon labang kinalitum dak advertisement alo along ke tok thek pon long ikpo office of the assistant development commissioner hills Dima Hasao haflong pen sepaklang pon iklo la pen la so VORENG AVARSAI APUTHAK stambe Dima Hasao pen stambe Karbi akhai do la pen Karbi akhai do puai phit sinili la so VORENG AVARSAI stambe puthot Dima Hasao punoi Karbi long punoi pusot paklang pon thu iklo stamela so VORENG AVARSAI la bangki Dima Hasao pen si paklang pono la pen copy VORENG AVARSAI mala so puthak dak lang pono nang kicheng sinang litum dak theklungji the rural the panchayat and rural development department government of Assam sining ke hang abang fu abang fietum jong si jogdon ikji pulote nalitum standard form la bangki details an kinang so sot details an nalitum fill up nang po la pen council court fee stamp nalitum 10 rupees adak nalitum 10 rupees pipen are receipt lang hol so receipts tami nalitum kipido nangji kinang solo la pen kopia department ma pulte nalitum dak thek polang po secretariat constituency development komutia hin pen sela so VORENG AVARSAI bangke paklang pon iglo under the North Kachar Hills Autonomous Council la hello ning jong si hang polite nalitum jogdon iktame Karbi long pen stame jog ikme la so VORENG AVARSAI la bangke nalitum dak screen long thek pon long igji details of post and eligibility criteria ahin bangla sonlo name of post la bangke secretariat constituency development committee a post lo la pen ka dukabe pen da a post la bangke nalitum thek pon long ikpo 28 nos an dak post bang pipon nalitum madule jogdonis tame jogdon ikon apen especially la bangke Dima Hasao long kido Karbi atum si ki jogdon bangke ong nang po la pen scale of pay la bangke nalitum dak thek pon long exi 14000 pen cheng long nalitum 60500 an long pon exi la pen grand pay la bangke 7400 an nalitum long pon ikpo as per Assam service revision of pay ating rules ating pensi nalitum long pon ikpo la pen age limit langdam lo mati chethandam lo pulte nalitum dak thek pon long ji candidates should not be less than 21 years mate nalitum 21 years pen akikom kalida nang po arta la pen 38 years pen ake ong kalida nang po alang litum da calculation ponji la bangke 1st January 2024 hala so date pen si age limit bangke mate arta la bangke calculation pon po la pen puthoda 5 years in case of ST and SC candidates atoma fan bangan da 5 years an relation bangat daga pipon iklo government arula ting pen jala sonno la pen puthot nali tum thai ka char lang ding bang ko an sikinang jima la so puthak stame nali tum dak thek pon long igje graduate from any recognized university la pen college nali tum dak thek pon long ikpo graduation bang unang pol so VORENG AVARSAI fan labang ke jongs nalitum jogdon ikji pulo tangte lapen puthot nalitum dak thek pon long thu ikji the expenditure towards salary shall be borne from the development grant of the state finance commission as a per investment and finance economic affairs department with nalitum dak thek long po salary nalitum kilong ponji labang ke department of it nalitum la ada government na hin pen an si ki people mala sortings nali tum long ponik po la pen documents required to be submitted copy pc kinang zima pulote nali tum dak thek pon long exi the application is prescribed from must be addressed to the Assistance Development Commissioner Hills Dima Hasao in enclosing the following documents la pen nanglitum hadak so address long pali nangji ko ppson mala to nanglitum dak thek ponong po number a long labang ke cell attested copies of certificate and mark sheet from SSLC honors in support of educational qualification la pen dak SSLC mark sheet la pen pass certificate pen cheng lok nanglitum graduation a certificate anta ki cell attested pen ki pidu nangji kinang sot la pen puthot dak b number long ke to nanglitum thek pon long exi cell attested copy of age proof certificate mate SSLC pass certificate la pen admit cards tame nalitum cell attested thaisi pido nangpo na son thada number cl nalitum thek pon long exi cell attested copy of employment registration card up to date tang nalitum la employment exchange tame ki pido nangji la takenang sotlo the son thada d number lo nalitum thek long ji cell attested of copy of permanent residence certificate issued by the authority of NCHSC mate nalitum permanent residence certificate nangpo dak labang ke NCL pen ki jogdon tum an abang phu mate Dima Hasao pen ki jogdon an abang phu abang fitum bangke PRC ki pidu nangji kinang so dason dak thar nalitum puthot dak number e long thek long cell attested copy of caste certificate where applicant caste certificate tame dak pidu nangji pitapu the number f long dola cell attested recent passport size photo 2 copies the video nangpo la pen autonomous council court stamp la tanalitum 10 rupees the video nangpo the pen cell address envelope 11 centimeter into 5 centimeter affixing postal stamp of res 5 la tanalitum postal stamps the pabon nei envelope thak 5 rupees sabang la pen nalitum pabon pamisi jogdo nangpo la pen number I long da kipi pondo thula mobile number and email ID of the applicant are to be mentioned in the application form. Application form along jongsi nalitum mobile number email ID ki to dim abi pute nalitum side long stami email ID lapen mobile number labangke nalitum ki tok donengji kenang sor lo puta ladak tok pono lapen putha do thula lapen putha ke tok pondo thula number C along submission of application form. The application must be addressed to the assistant Commissioner Hills Dima Hasao District Lasodium Sinalitum Palenangpo application from the accompanied with the supporting documents may send by the post or submit in a drop box in the office of the Assistant Development Commissioner Hills Lasodium Sinalitum hadagle dam pens taminalitum jogram ikme kalte nalitum speed post pens taminalitum sen ikme pusta ladak topono lapen det labang kenalitum dak pen theklongji ki chengpon labang ke dak lasochiklo 11 November 2024 pen chengpon si 25 November 2024 an sidak last date ane pipon lo jong sinalitum incomplete application mane alang litum ke hanga teng pen choglim le pulote nalitum so application banga hoda mase reject pon popta topon lo sinalitum dak thektuloing last date and time for submission of application labangke 5 p.m. to 5 p.m. lapen date labangke 25 November 2024 lo Upon selection process labang kanalitum dak thekpon long exit the eligible candidates shall have to appear written test exam 100 marks nalitum tongnapo lapen question type labang ke MCQ a question la 100 an alang litum pipon po lapen hada nalitum negative with number negative marking la lapen duration of the written test will at 2 hours mate ghunta ni long ekpo exam po lapen the short listener candidates will be called the computer skill test 30 marks upon alang litum phan dak endpon equal apen vivas tame dak 20 marks upon no the final merit list shall be prepare basis the agreement lapen kaduka wepen dak written test lapen written test lapen computer skill test viva fan dak kaduka wepen 150 marks on endpon equal the selection and appointment process will be the exciting government role setting pen alang litum employments at direct appointments tame alang litum pajer pon equal lapen ladak ketok pon eson soni do thlang lapen nalitum theklongi venue lapen date of the written examination mate viva fan labang kenalitum the venue and date written examination will be notified to due the course of time will be mention in the call letter admit card along sinali tum hadak atay mapor bangkadu kawe pipon thai puputa tokpon lo lapen dotolang verification of original documents before issuing appointment letter nali tum dak theklongji reservation bangkela sona the reservation will be as per NCHSC norms ateng pin selang litum the reservation bakke kipipono lapen nali tum dak theklongji the rules and regulation la bangke nali tum lang ikon nili WhatsApp group kalte Telegram channel long stamini li pipon ikpo la sining hang polte nali tum jogdon ikon long le la bangke afialam no lapen nali tum video kan mas share iko Dima Hasao Karbi lapen Karbi anglong kitu Karbi Arat Aum stame pelang iknang lapen pecini iknang tang de pinya video la aneng ton poring nang do me thagme kadu ka Karbi 2.0 YouTube channel long kelang arat on pan stame ni len pen kardom
to change your